Good morning, welcome to my channel. In today's workout, we are going to do some awesome exercises for morning back pain, for instant pain relief. I'm Betka, your back pain expert, and the exercises today are going to help you to loosen things up, offering instant pain relief. So you will find that you have a lot less issues throughout the day, so less stiffness, okay? Let's start. And today we are going to start on our hands and knees. Very good. Now, if you need something under your knees, you're more than welcome to use a blanket or even some pillows. And if your wrist is not happy in this position, you can actually be on your knuckles, or you can elevate your hands on a piece of furniture, okay? Or even you can use some yoga blocks. Very good. And today we are going to start to send our low back up to the sky and then drop it back down. So we are not moving the whole spine yet. We are starting with our low back. Okay, so arching, sending it all the way up to the ceiling and then drop it back down. Nice. Very good. And then up to the sky and then lower it back down. Very good. Let's do a couple of more of this. I hope you had a nice weekend. And thank you so much for being here and starting your week with me. Very good. Let's do one more like this. And then drop it back down. Now we are going to this time send the whole spine up to the ceiling. And then drop it back down and then look up. Very good. And then the whole spine, your whole t-shirt is going up to the sky. And then back down. Very good. So the reason I created this program, because many of us wake up with stiff and tight back. And the best thing you can do is movement. So I created this program, 10-15 minutes every morning, so you feel better. Very good. Of course, always ask your doctor before you start any physical activity, especially if you have back pain. And then two more. And then one. Nice. We are going to sit back on our heels. Now, sometimes our knees are not happy when we go all the way back down in this position. You go as far as you can, okay? Leave your hands where they are, and now we are going to rise up onto our knees and sending our waistband down and forward. And then again, sit down, sit back on your heels. You can even drop your head. And then waistband goes forward and then look up. And then again back. Nice. And then forward. You may lift your knees off the floor. You don't have to. So listen to your body. If you don't feel like lifting your knees up, you don't have to. I like to do that. Very good. We're going to do 4 more. 3. And 2. And on the next one, we're going to stay here. Very good. You can drop your knees down. And then we're just going to wiggle side to side. Very good. Now, the reason we are not doing only one exercise, because first of all, every person is different. So one exercise, that particular exercise, what I will show you, maybe it's not for you because we are all different, okay? And second of all, the spine can do many things. So if I just show you one thing, that we are missing out on a lot of things, okay? So this is why there is not one exercise for everyone to reduce back pain. Very good. And now we are going to lay down on our belly. I'm going to move a little so you can see me better. Very good. So leave your forearm down and then just lift your chest up and then lower the chest back down. Very good. And then lift the chest and then lower the chest. Now we are increasing the extension of the spine here, and we are strengthening it. Very good. Now you are welcome to stretch the arm all the way out and then lower back down. Very good. So the higher you go, the deeper it is. Okay. So just bear in mind, you can play with that. If you move your hands further away from you, that means that the stretch is a little bit less. If you have your hands closer to your body, that means that you're deepening the stretch. Okay, so you can decide what works for you. And always listen to your body and work within your pain tolerance. Okay. 3 and 2 and the 1. All the way back. We're going to push back onto our heels after all this extension. This should feel so good. We're going to walk our hands side to side. Very good. Just because it feels really good. Nice. Very good. And now we are going to sit up. And now we are going to do some rotation of the spine. Okay? So sitting up, you can actually sit on a couple of pillows or even on your yoga block or on your bed. We are going to circle our arm back behind us and then back. And then the other side. Very good. And the reach. So now we are rotating our spine. Very good. Now, if you don't like this arm movement, you are more than welcome just to reach back. Okay? So you don't have to do this circle. I like to do that because I like to move my scapula, my shoulder blade on my back. It just feels good, but again, we are all different, and listen to your body and your body's needs. And if you have any feedback for me, I would greatly appreciate that, because I do this for you. So your feedback matters to me. And just comment it. Thank you. And then one more. Very good. Now we're going to lay down on our back for a little bit. Oh, this feels so good. Okay. Have your arms by your side, nice and wide. And start lowering the knees side to side as far as you can. Nice. Now we have an option. You have an option to have your legs up in a tabletop position and then move the knees side to side. Now, this gives you a deeper stretch, but also more load on your back. So just bear in mind when you pick this version, okay? Oh, my back just cracked. Again, every time I do this exercise, my back cracks, and I just love it. It feels so good. Nice. One more. Now bring your feet back, and we are going to bring the right knee towards our chest and then back down. And then the left knee. Good. We have an option to lift the chest when you're bringing the knee in, but again, you don't have to. You can even move your arms behind you. Very good. Overhead. That's optional. Pushing your t-shirt down on the floor when you are bringing your knee towards your chest. Very good. One more. And now we're going to hug both knees, and we are going to circle. Very good. Making circles to one direction. And then reverse it. Very good. And now we are going to sit up. We have options the way you sit. You can sit crisscross. You can sit in this Z position, or even with your legs out straight in front of you. And I'm going to pick this crisscross position this morning because I just feel a little bit tighter on this side here. Again, you can sit on something if this bothers your back. And then we're going to do lateral flexion, which is side bending. A fancy way of saying side bending. Very good. So this is another movement that your spine can do. Nice. Again, if you don't like this arm movement, you can just simply have your hands and just go side to side. Okay, we always have options. And now we are going to add a little bit of a twist to this one. We are going to rotate. Kind of like look behind you. Very good. Nice. I am softening the back elbow to go a little bit deeper. Nice. One more. Beautiful. Come back. And now you can have your hands either on your knees or in front of you. We're just going to go down as far as you can. And then very slowly come back up. Let's do two more. And then down. Slide your hands away from you. And then up. And then one more. And then come all the way back up. Beautiful. And thank you so much for joining me here this morning. If you liked what we did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This channel is all about making your back feel better, healthier. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. I'll be here tomorrow morning at 6:15 a.m. Central US time again. And I hope to see you here. Have a wonderful Monday. Bye.